Hey guys, I'm Vivi Nicole. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be refreshing some curls as well as adding a few face framing highlights to my client's hair. If you're interested, just continue watching. So the first thing you want to do is determine where you want those highlights to go. We're adding a few more face framing highlights simply because we reused this hair many times and sometimes the color placement gets shifted around. So we're just going to bring some of that color back to the face. I'm using 20 volume developer with my bleaching powder, and we're going to let that sit about 30 minutes. My client is using 22 inches of our Black Label curly extensions. She has 3 bundles in. Again, as I mentioned before, we've used this hair a couple of times actually. But right now we're going to go ahead and get into doing her extension maintenance, where that's pretty much just wash and restyling. You always want to detangle curly extensions before you shampoo them. One thing I like to do is detangle thoroughly, and when I'm shampooing, I continue the detangling process. I run my fingers through the hair over and over, just finger detangling as I'm shampooing. I'm very sure not to ball the hair up. And as you see now, this is what it looks like if you shampoo properly. The curls are intact, they're beautiful, they're clumping together. It already looks, pretty good. You're going to just do some last minute detangling before we move over to products. But before we even get to the product, I want to say the products that I'm using in this video are not the products that I recommend for the curly styling portion of the video. Sally's did not have the curling cream I usually use, which I will link below. Normally we use the Dew on all of my curly extensions, and today we improvise. We use foam lotion as well as Eco Styler gel. However, you still want to seal the ends with oil. That step is important. Alright, so jumping back into the video. So it doesn't matter the order you put it on, just make sure the products are evenly coated on the strands of hair. I like to pull the product through, comb it through, and then work my fingers through and kind of like scrunch it up. And you want to work that through the entire head. The way I blend my leave out, I saturate it in gel. I use a fine tooth comb because that really saturates the product. And I also take the leave out in the first track and I smooth it all together to make it really flat. And that's my little technique of making the leave out blend with the extensions. I didn't show it in detail. This is more of a look and learn video, but you can play the video back if you want to see how I did that again. I let my client go under the dryer just to get about 80% dry. And one important tip when dealing with curly hair, you want to definitely diffuse it so it has volume and body, and it helps take the shape, helps the curls clump together and shape up. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any more questions, just leave them below. Also, this was just more of a watch, look and learn video. If you guys want a detailed video that's more tutorial like, leave it in the comments and let me know, and I can get that done, because my beautiful client will be back and she will be rocking these curls. So it's nothing to get y'all a super detailed step-by-step video. Well, thank you guys for watching. That's pretty much it. You guys have a great day. Remember to wake up, pray, get pretty, hustle, and repeat. Your girl is out. Bye.